Hey everybody, Kelly Ham, the Dancing Broker. So to quit claim or not to quit claim? This will be boring but important. When it comes to real estate transactions in Washington state, one important decision to make is whether to use a quit claim deed or explore other options. A quit claim deed is a legal document used to transfer ownership of real property from one party to another. In Washington state, as in many other states, using a quitclaim deed can have both advantages and disadvantages. So as professionals in the real estate field, both real estate agents and limited practice officers at title companies play a crucial role in guiding clients through this decision. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of using quitclaim deeds in Washington state to help you make an informed decision. So the pros of using quitclaim deeds are efficiency and flexibility. Quitclaim deeds are known for their efficiency in property transfers. They offer a quick and straightforward process, making them ideal for situations where parties trust each other and have a clear understanding of the property's history. So this efficiency can save both time and money. However, there are also the cons of using quitclaim deeds, like limited title protections. So one of the significant drawbacks of quitclaim deeds is the absence of title warranties. This means that there are no guarantees regarding the quality or the clearness of the title. So grantees, or the recipients of the property, may inherit title defects, liens, encumbrances, potentially leading to complications and disputes. Limited recourse for both parties. So quitclaim deeds provide limited recourse for both grantors and grantees if title issues arise post-transfer. Grantors, also known as the seller, they may face legal challenges in defending their rights to the property, while grantees may find themselves in vulnerable positions during disputes. Situational applicability. Quitclaim deeds are not universally suitable for all real estate transactions. They are best utilized when a high level of trust and understanding exists between the parties involved. In cases involving unfamiliar parties or uncertain title histories, other deed types such as warranty deeds may offer a more comprehensive protection. So tax implications. The use of a quitclaim deed can have tax implications, particularly related to gift taxes and property tax reassessment. It is advisable to talk with your tax professional or attorney to understand the potential tax consequences tied to specific property transfers. Deciding whether to quitclaim or not ultimately depends on your unique circumstances. If you value efficiency, flexibility, and privacy, quitclaim deeds can be a suitable choice, especially when dealing with family transfers or well-understood title histories. However, it is essential to weigh these advantages against the potential disadvantages. The absence of title warranties and limited protections can pose risks, particularly for grantees. So if you're uncertain about the property's title or are dealing with unfamiliar parties, it may be wise to explore alternative deed options such as warranty deeds that offer greater protection. As you navigate real estate transactions in Washington state, working with professionals like real estate agents and licensed limited officers from title companies is invaluable. They can provide expert guidance, ensuring that your property transactions adhere to legal requirements and are executed with professionalism and integrity. The decision to quitclaim or not to quitclaim should be made with careful consideration of your specific situation and objectives. Consult with professionals who can provide the insights needed to make the right choice for your real estate transaction. Phew, that was a lot. Thanks for watching.